Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here binaphthyl compound is given. One benzene group is above the plane, another one also above the plane. The twisting happened. You have cyanide in the ortho position. You have to find whether the given compound is optically active or not. In normal stereochemistry, you might know the chiral carbon is optically active. It is with 4 different attachments. But molecule here is different one, which is binaphthyl. It forms screw kind of architecture. It's a spiral out, so it's chiral without chiral center, and it is optically active. This kind of chirality is called axial chirality. You may imagine like spiral chirality. So it's spiral. It forms 3D chirality. It is like DNA and RNA. So the given compound is optically active. It will rotate the light. Here the concept you have to learn here is the compounds can be optically active without any chiral carbon. Here the chiral axis and spiraling decide the chirality. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.